So after this weekend, the whole thing's getting gutted. I'm gonna buy 2 more 12s, and I'm gonna go B-pillar 4th order.
Whoa.
Yeah.
DJ Ruckus.
One of them's on their way out. You can kind of hear it popping a little bit. I got to recone one of them.
Appreciate that, man.
Yeah, man.
Can I get in real quick?
Yeah.
I'll go in real quick. Oh, excuse me. Is this a, what vehicle is this?
03 Trailblazer.
03 Trailblazer?
Yeah.
Okay. And whoa. So what are the upgrades or changes in just in general specs of everything?
Made the port bigger in the box, new subs, new battery, all the same amps. The box is way too small for these subs. It was built for subs that are much smaller, so I was able to afford to get these a lot sooner than I anticipated. Okay. So after this weekend, the whole thing's getting gutted. I'm gonna buy 2 more 12s, and I'm gonna go B-pillar 4th order.
Okay. Whoa.
Yeah.
So what is the amps and tuning?
The box is tuned probably around, it's tuned high because the box is small, the port's so big, it's tuned around 39 to 40. It's a lot higher than it should be. With the other port, the way it was before, it was tuned at about 34. But since we made the port bigger, the subs needed the bigger port, but the box is still small. So
that's why you inverted it?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why.
Plus it looks cool.
It looks cool too, yeah.
And a little better cooling.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Have you metered it?
51 on the meter.
51, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Making acid, shaking windshields break. It's DJ Ruckus.
Wow. And your electrical is on point. No issues.
Yeah.
No issues on the electrical.
I have one of Jonathan's 390s and then the 90 amp C Max.
Okay. Awesome. And the back's just a stunt wall, right?
Stunt wall, yep.
Okay.
Yep, that has nothing has changed back there since you saw it at TDH.
Yes, sir. I remember TDH. Yep. All right. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
Yeah, man.
What was your name again?
Josh.
Josh. All right, Josh.
Have a good one, Jacob.
You too. Are you on Team Orion?
I'm not.
You just like Orion.
Just do it for the love of it, man.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
It's holiday season, bitch. bring my gun in. It's holiday season, bitch.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.